So how you can add related products in Shopify, and there's really compelling reasons to do so. It can really help, for multiple reasons to boost your sales and the average order value, which means a good analogy why I would do this and why I just highly recommend it is just imagine someone looking at a phone case. You could recommend a screen protector or a portable charger, which will increase their total purchase value. So yeah, this can be very helpful. So to do this in Shopify, we're gonna have to go to apps and sales channel settings. Then here we're gonna have to go to app Shopify App Store. And then here we're gonna search for this app Feather, this one, sorry, this one. Then we're gonna install this one. I already installed it. I'll just click on open. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply click on here, create. And then here I'll click on this one here and edit bundle. And now I can search here for a product, right? Click on, but before doing that, we need to add this extension. So let's add this extension and let's go back. So I will just refresh this page. And then let's see if we have this here. So edit bundle, and then we can search here for a product. Of course, we can and also make sure you publish this bundle. All right. Now we can also preview on store. And let's add product. I'm gonna add this one here, and then I'll save, and I'll go back and publish this, and then preview on store. Let's see where it's showed this here. But I'm gonna go here to online store, and then we're gonna have to click on custom. So let's click on custom, and then here we have home page and also products, default products. So I have this product here, and here I can add a section. Okay, I can add a section here as well, but for this one as well, add. Okay, it's working. I can add. So now why not, let's go here in products, and let's click. We already see here the related products. We see we have related products, but here, by the way, we can change details and the header, just more settings. Can show vendor, show product rating. We can hide this, and then now if we want, let's go back, and here we can edit even more. So we can go to our apps. So we can click on apps and click on this app we just installed. We can also pin this app. And then what you can do here is, so let me show you. You can of course create the product bundle. This one is edit, and can also add a discount here. We just need to buy that subscription, but also generate by Feather using the AI. And yeah, add products. But here we can also customize, of course. So let's click on next. Then we can customize this even more and create. And can also view the product details. Yeah, so to customize, click on here and customization, and you can customize this even more. And you have here some details, some customization, some options to change this. Or we can also reset to default. We can also see the card or product page. Looks pretty nice. Product bundles, we also have that, which is the one I just showed you. Delete, add a new one. Easy, pretty nice. And now if you don't see here, we have related product here, but we're gonna have to go here to add block, and here we have apps, and then here let's select this app that we just added, and then here voila, we have frequently brought together. So yeah, that's what you have to do. Now just click on save, and then we can view this, see how it looks. So I can click on this one, and then here we have frequently bought together. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.